There's a secret to turning grocery shopping, family arguments, airport rides into millions of views. And Flying Beast cracked the code to this. Welcome back to Marketing Uncharted, and today we are talking about Gaurav Taneja, aka Flying Beast, a graduate from IIT. To being a commercial pilot to becoming the biggest family creator on Indian YouTube, Gaurav Taneja has actually cracked the code to relatability on YouTube channels. But here's the interesting part. He did not grow through a cinematic level video production or through some viral stunts. He grew by making everyday life feel entertaining, and that made him build a full business empire. Gaurav Taneja did not start his YouTube career as a family vlogger. He started somewhere around 2017, but as a fitness channel, Fit Muscle TV, which got him 100k plus subscribers. This channel was around fitness, workouts, giving nutrition advice and something like that. His audience and his YouTube viewership peaked when he actually started putting everyday vlogs on his platform. Instead of uploading polished and edited content, Gaurav Taneja was uploading everyday family life, tea time routines, taking children to the school, etc. And this is what resonated with people a lot. This changed everything for him. By 2025, Gaurav Taneja had 9 million plus subscribers on his main channel and 15 million plus subscribers on all his YouTube channels combined. He had billions of views. What he was doing right was posting everyday relatable content. So when people were watching him, they were not watching a celebrity. They were watching someone who was relatable. They were watching someone whom they were now emotionally invested. This is where his personal branding gets interesting. His brand is based on consistency, family values, a normal Indian man who's successful in what he does. This familiarity has created trust with his audience. People earlier used to follow him for his content, but now they are emotionally invested in his life. They want to know how his life is progressing. And this is the point where any content creator stops being an influencer and becomes an habit for their audience. Another smart move was his presence on the very popular show Shark Tank. This presence has not just made him a popular entrepreneur or a businessman. It has instilled this in his audiences that he's not just a vlogger, he's actually a serious business professional, and they have started trusting the other brands that he has created. And this is how he has taken his personal branding out of YouTube and built a whole life around it. Flying Beast is much more than just a YouTube platform. It's actually a revenue ecosystem. From YouTube AdSense, from collaboration, from partnership with fitness partners, from lifestyle partnerships, from speaking opportunities, doing some popular celebrity and reality shows, and a lot more from his other brands which are harped upon his personal branding. His YouTube channel alone actually pulls in millions of views every year, and it is estimated that he earns around 10 to 15 crores annually from his YouTube viewership, as well as the brand deals that he gets based on his popularity. One of the biggest examples is his brand Beast Life, which is launched basis the first set of 100k subscribers that he had that followed him for his fitness journey. Beast Life has products like protein supplements, wellness supplements, etc. Think about this. When for a decade he has spoken about workouts, health, fitness, nutrition, launching a brand about protein supplements, the Beast Life, is actually just an extension of his personal brand. That is not building a new category altogether. It is just harping upon the category and the space that he has already built for himself. What he has also launched is into the natural wellness section, an A2 ghee brand called Rosier. This is based on a farm where there are cows, where milk is actually taken from the cows and made into ghee, and he shows his entire process through his YouTube platform. Once again, it is his personal brand, his connection to his roots, that is actually translated into the branding of this A2 ghee brand. For so many years, people have watched him get married, have children, face issues with his career, his parents aging, his dad retiring, and so much more. So when Gaurav Taneja actually recommends a brand, it is actually not an ad. It is something that people think that it is coming from him. That's why brands like to partner with him, because people have trust in Gaurav Taneja's voice. This also makes him extremely responsible for what he backs. When there is so much visibility in the public eye, there is bound to be backlash. Gaurav Taneja has faced backlash because people say that he family vlogs too much, he has repetitive moments, he is oversharing all of his content, and he is monetizing on his personal life. He has also been involved in some controversies related to airlines. He has also been involved in controversies related to other content creators. And this in totality has filled his life with a good amount of controversial details as well. There were so many controversies which actually led to a lot of increase in his momentum and views. But there was one controversy in the late 2024 which actually impacted his upload consistency, his momentum, and people's sentiment, and his viewership went down. This brings a very interesting point to this case. When you are a personal brand, your personal life and whatever is going on in it, it is when in the public eye, deeply impacts what your business and monetary advantages are. The lesson from Flying Beast's case is very clear. You do not need cinematic level visuals or viral stunts to actually build this big empire. What you need is emotional familiarity, consistency, relatability, and something that you can pivot to anytime. For example, Gaurav Taneja started his vlogging from a Fit Muscle TV. He moved on to showing his pilot career, and when he lost his career, he pivoted the entire channel to becoming a family vlog. He took an advantageous opportunity during the lockdown to change this entire YouTube upload to being everyday uploads, to putting his family out there. And that is how he has built something which is relatable for people. From being removed from an airlines to going to become a lawyer, to fighting a case, to being whatever, it has become part of people's lives as well. And now he has more brands. And this is how he has built his empire around one personal brand, which is the most powerful aspect of his branding. I hope you've liked this video. Do support us by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to us, and thank you for watching.